Last class we finished that type of things. Yes or no? Two section. Okay, the two section I think clear for everyone. Today we will learn the three section analysis. Because two section analysis, when the substation is like that areas, please compare these two things. This two section analysis, yes, but when your section is increasing, if you understand these things, section 1, then there is 2 line. Then this line, there is another 2 section, then substation. Okay? So how to transfer this?
Sir.
Yes, tell me.
স্যার আমার একটা প্রশ্ন ছিল স্যার।
Tell me.
স্যার বলতে স্যার আমাদের কয়টা ফেডার করা লাগবে স্যার?
In feeder you need to finish. In finish the total thing.
নো স্যার, আমি বলতে চাচ্ছি স্যার মানে আমাদের কয়টা ফিডারের স্যার এক্সেলের কাজ করা লাগবে তাই বলতেছি।
টোটাল সাবস্টেশন, বিগ সাবস্টেশন টোটাল।
টোটাল ফিডারের তো স্যার অনেক বেশি হয়ে যায় স্যার, মানে সো মাচ ক্যালকুলেশন হয়ে যায়।
Why so much calculation? Please tell me. I already gave you these things. This on section calculation is directly it will come. This 3 section. Okay. Okay, you need to finish the 4. Feeder 1, feeder 3, okay, and feeder 7. Okay, finish it. These 3. If you understand these 3, another is okay. Because exam time I will give that type of things. Maybe that time this section is more than on. I will give you the exam time. This time I will give you the question. Feeder, here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 section. Maybe that time maybe the more than section. On feeder more section maybe. Okay? So if you understand these things, then any type of feeder you can just give the time. Okay, now the section 3. So how to calculate it? Look at the screen. And just finish these things and go to the detailed analysis. Okay, and again the same procedure. Editor, select it, copy it, close it. Then open a text file. This is a text file. This is the previous text file. Okay, and just open the new text file. Okay. Okay. Then save and give it suppose feeder 3. Feeder 3. Now make a on. You can do it at a time every feeder. Just for your betterment, I am just make it F3 feeder file. Okay. Open this file. Today, please, everyone copy it. Copy your file. You can save it in the desktop, no problem. I am just saving on areas so that every file is here. Asnabad and F3. Show the all file. So F3 text. Open it. Okay. Then next it. How to transfer these things? You already know that thing. So this is then your loss, this is loss, so coloring, so that you can easily understand. Your 2 amps, this is coloring, so that only 4 item 10 and other you can delete it. This and another is parent, this, and give the other part. Then copy your that caption from the other file. So copy. Suppose this is your copy file, copy and paste it this area. Look at these things. Up to this, it is clear for you, yes or no? Tell me first. Please, why you all are silent? How to transfer that? This is now your file. So you need to transfer it. It is clear for you, yes or no? All are silent. Why? Are you listening my voice? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear for you how to transfer. Look at these things. If you follow this, so without typing, okay? Without typing. Without typing, you can transfer or you can type it. With the caption, you can type it. It is clear for you, yes or no, from the copy to up to that. Tell me. If not clear, I will do it again. But you need to learn it.
স্যার আরেকবার একটু দেখেন স্যার।
Okay, I am close these things. Okay. I am just delete the F3. Okay, this is our blank file. Nothing is here. Okay, close it. So, this is the file, voltage drop, run it. Okay, run the voltage drop. Then go to your, okay, I am just calculating this F3, that's why other things is unchecked. Only these things. But if you need to calculate whole thing at a time, then what you need to do? Tell me. You need check all the items.
Feeder.
Yes, you need to check all the feeder. So your file contain all the items. Look at the screen, all the items. It will show you all the value. But if you want only one item, especially one item, you do not need other item. So you will uncheck it. This is okay. Then go to the areas and edit and select all. And edit, copy it and close it. And save it, and also you can close everything. And go to this file and make it one, suppose feeder F3, so that you can understand that the text file is text. Look at these things. With the notepad or right button click, new text document file. Open it. After the text document file, you need to paste all the things, but you do not need to change anything. Paste all the file. Edit and free. Up to this, it is clear for everyone, yes or no? Tell me now.
Yes, sir.
If you face any problem, tell me now. Now the next is, you need to separate, that is, you need to separate, suppose look at these things. There is so many items. The parent, child, parent, then 4 items you need it. 2 amps and kilowatt loss. You can type it or you can separate by the, okay, item. So Excel you need to open it. I will just open the Excel sheet. Open the Excel sheet. After that, file open. go to your, please, this time I'm just using the software areas, but you can copy and everything, you can make it in the C drive, no problem. My C, my file, the software inside there. Hashtag grid, and you need to share all the file. Then the F3 will show all the file. F3, opening. Next one, first one is next. Then go down. Your first item, Kabir code, then look at these things. It is separating. There is the L, low voltage area, that's why L is coming. You will click tab. Then you will move it. Then another, this is your amps. How to look at these amps, look at these things. You need to understand these amps, look at these things, 2 amps. Okay? After that, you need to separate from there. Then again loss. So this is your loss areas. Okay, it already separated. So you can do it. So next is, okay, then next and finish it. Okay, so your file is now separated from each other. So now delete. Before deleting these things, my request to you, at least your, how to separate it is okay? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Color it so that you can separate it. So your this profile and your through amps, this is your amps file. Okay, look at, here is one thing we missed. We need to make it again because there is something. Yes, again. Look at these things. If any click, second click, third click. Okay, then go to that area. So through amps, these areas, click it. Then go to another item. Here the percentage capacity, you need to separate. After that, separate it. So you need to separate these things. Look at these things, one thing. This another, double click it, it will run. So again, loss. Come to the loss part. This is your loss part. Loss part is, I think, okay. So you will check it by like that. I'm just checking these things, everything. Separately I'm checking it. Okay, then next and finish it. So now this first part, color, second part, color, then this amps part, this is amps part, you need to color it, and next color is your loss. So that you can separate it. So the first, you can delete it, and you can delete the second thing, inside the item, now your file, and again, okay, now copy the, and yes, you want to save it, save as some areas. Suppose F3 calculation, Then go to your previous file where is the caption. So I'm just copy the caption and paste the caption here. So, now you need to delete some of the because starting deleted. Okay, feeder section of. Okay, then copy input. This is your substation. So if you give it serial 1, 2, 3 like that, you can give the Is okay for everyone, yes or no? Please tell me. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. So now next step. What is the substation? This is substation area. Okay, you can mark it so that you can understand this is one substation, this is another substation, and this is another substation. If any substation name is not correct, write it. Okay, correct it. So this is your substation. I just give it simple three colors so that you can easily understand. Now, think it. The section number 2. Okay. Feed from section 4 amps. Look at the screen. So load amps is equal to these amps divided by that amps. How much? This is 36. So make it round so that only two value you want to calculate. Clear it? Round value. Your formula is this. Okay, but you can round it. Okay, 36%. Look at
Hello,
it.
sir.
Yes.
এই যে ফর্মুলা সিস্টেমটা স্যার একটু দেখান স্যার একবার স্যার।
Round way you can, if you apply the round, then you can fix any data by 2 digit. Okay, by 2 digit you can. So look at the screen. Round. You can be round. Okay. Comma to look at this thing. Round. Then 2 bracket, first bracket, then your calculation things, then first bracket close, comma 2 digit. If you want 3 digit, look at this thing, 3 digit. It will come the 3 digit. If you want to give it 2 digit, 2. Look at these things. If you increase it, but after the 2 digit, it will show you the 0. Nothing. Okay? So 37%. So another, this section, feeder 1, feeder from where? Look at this thing, feeder 3. I think it is better for us to take a screenshot so that you can understand. So it will help you. Look at the screen. So feeder 1. My request to you, please, if you don't understand, please tell me. Section 1, load section 1. Look at this thing, the section 2. Especially the section 2, how much affect this section? 37%. Another is section 3, yes or no? Because this section 2 child, this section and that section, yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So section 3, where is the section 3? This is section 3. So calculate it. Equal sign these amps divided by parent amps. Look. And round it. So 137 and 63, 100. Understand that things? This section 3, okay, affect the section 1, 63%. And this section 2 affect the 37%. Okay? What a man, why all are silent? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You need to communicate with me, otherwise it is difficult for me to give you the... Okay, now, kilowatt. Okay, this kilowatt multiply by your this. Okay, look at these things. Again, you can move around. Okay, so how to 37 multiply by 0.37 multiply by the first section loss. This is loss 243.38 multiplied 0.3, and again this multiply by their loss, and you can write it down. So this is divided. The total loss is divided. Okay. Then line loss. Look at these things. Sum of one line loss, comma, divided. Okay. The line loss 92 is now here. So make it. If you give it digit, okay, 92. Then again, look at this thing. There is nothing in any section here, so the loss automatically it will come. The Kabirpur substation is clear for everyone, yes or no? Tell me first.
Yes, sir.
Now the section 3, look at this section 3. Section 3, there is two line. So, sum of line plus here, here. Okay. This is loss, but there is another section. So, this line loss is distributed by this section. So, your loss, total common loss and this section loss, when you add it, the path loss you can calculate. Section 1 loss and section 1 divided loss plus section 3 main loss. So this is your, okay, I just now give it a on thing. Okay. Next is section 4. Look at the section 4. This is 4. So section 4 amps divided by section 3 amps, these amps. Okay. Then give it round. Okay. And again another section, that is 5 section divided by section 3. Look, this is the parent section. Parent section divided, okay, and give it here round. And sometimes your the round some item, okay, sometimes it will give you the percentage you cannot calculate because some of the amps some problem. Okay, try to understand these things. Okay, then next is divided kilowatt. So this multiply by this loss. Okay, because this loss, own loss and own loss and their total common loss is transfer here. So enter it. And then again this loss sum up this loss and their own loss. So the subexpression is again divided kilowatt multiplied by their parent loss. Okay. Then sum of this comma and their own loss. And you need to transfer here round. And then the subexpression is automatically sum. Okay, now it's clear for you to calculation, yes or no? Tell me first.
Yes.
Okay. Now you need to something you need to adjust. Adjust means suppose as for example, we know that these 2 amps sum of that amps. Sometimes your amps is not correct. You need to parent amp, sometimes you need to change it. Or you need to parent amp minus that amps, you need to correct it. Next class we will learn these things. Please, my request to everyone, try yourself to make it. And please everyone connect again so that we can continue our class smoothly. Connect again. Okay, now try to finish it. Try to make it and try to understand it. Please everyone open the Excel sheet and please finish it. Because your final exam time, so many data you need to finish within the exam time. If you don't understand, please make it, please. My request to everyone, make it. Please open the Excel sheet and make it and try to understand it.